Now welcome to the viewers. Now we discuss idea of matrix. In this cases of matrix, if we consider the simple linear equation like the coefficient a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus a13 x3 is equal to 4 and a21 x1 plus a22 x2 plus a23 x3 is equal to 5. If we represent in the matrix notation, if we take it the notation, there are the two kind of notation here, either this type or this type, close bracket or open bracket type. There are the two example notations we used to represent matrix. Now how to put, that means here we write the coefficient matrix a11 a12 a13 a21 a22 a23 and another for the variable x1 x2 x3, and that means a constant equals to, that is 4 and 5. So it is our representations. Now how to put it? If we take in this way any kind of matrix, suppose this a11 a12 a21 a22, in this way we can segment wise take. This is the first row and this is second row, and in this way if we take it, this is first column and this is second column. So horizontal wise if we take the elements, that will be all are called row, and this vertical wise that will be column. If we represent vectorically or simply a11 a12, that is row, and a21 a22 also row, and here a11 a21 is column, and a12 a22 also column. So in this way we can represent, and row column intersection all called elements like this a11, that is the intersection of first row and first column. A12 intersection of first row and second column. A21 intersection of first row and intersection of second row and first column, and A22, that is the intersection of second row and second column. So in this way we can represent. So for the general representations, if we take, that is Aij, that is I by j, and this is called ith row and jth column. So in this way we can get the idea how to represent the matrix. Now the order of the matrix. Order of the matrix is given by the number of rows by number of column. Actually by means it is a notation by number of column. Suppose Row means a number of horizontal like this: A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. This is the matrix number of row, that is the horizontal arrow, and here the number of the columns. If we extend it, it will be 2 by 3 order. 3 arrows is there in vertical arrow and it is horizontal arrow. So order of the matrix is 2 by 3. And now here A11, A12, A21, A22. Here the number of row is 2, number of column is also 2. So the order of the matrix is 2 by 2. Now we take the operation of the first stage, addition of two matrix. Suppose if we take an example, 1, 3, 4, 5 plus 9, 2, 7, 4. The first criteria is both maintain the same order. Here the order of the matrix is 2 by 2, here also 2 by 2. So they will be conformable to add. Otherwise addition is not possible. So the must criteria of the addition of matrix is both the matrix have maintained the same order and same position of the element will be added. That is 1 plus 9 will be added, not 1 plus 2. Here 3 plus 2, 4 plus 7, 5 plus 9, 5 plus 4 here. So it also have the order of 2 by 2. And that will be 10, 5, 11, 9. Now similarly subtraction will be the same process. Subtraction, if we take 1, 3, 4, 5 minus 9, 2, 7, 4. Same method, 1 minus 9, 3 minus 2, 4 minus 7 and 5 minus 4. It will also be the order of 2 by 2 and we will get minus 8, 1, minus 3 and 1, 2 by 2 order. That is called the subtraction of matrix. Same thing, same way should be followed like the addition. Rule will be the same and operation is just different. Same positional elements will be subtracted. Now here we end our discussion today for the beginning of the matrix idea. And if you like this video, like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.